Okay, we have a Bridgeport-Hardinge Vertical Machining Center, model VMC 480P3, serial number NVLA6I0116. Machine was new in 2006. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a OIMC FANUC control, drives and motors. Right now we're running, it's got a BT40 spindle, 10,000 RPM spindle. Right now we're running at 3,000 RPM. 5,000 RPM. 7,500 RPM. Okay. We're going to do a tool change. Machine has a 20 ATC side mounted tool changer. You have a 23.6 by 15.8 table with 19 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 17 of Z. That's your Z. You have telescopic weight covers on all axes. That's your Y. And your X. Great. Hey, thank you for watching our video.